Hi, I am Yasar Arafath. I am here with another maths video for class 10 CBSE students. I welcome all of you to this video. Trigonometry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing the chapter applications of trigonometry. We discussed many problems. If you didn't watch previous videos, you can get the link to the playlist of chapter 9 applications of trigonometry from the description of this video. In this video also, we will discuss some tough question. If you are watching my videos first time, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and also share this video to your friends. We can move to the question. The angle of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building at the distance between the two buildings. Okay, I hope the question is clear. There are two buildings. One is a multi-storied building, a big building. And there is a small building at some distance. The height of this small building is 8 meters. If you look from the top of the multi-storied building to the top and bottom of the small building, you will see at angle of depression 30 degree and 45 degree. Angle of depression, I will show the picture again. And angle of depression is this one. When we look to some object below our eye level, so you want to look down. So that time, the angle made between the line of sight and the horizontal line. So suppose we draw a line from our eye parallel to the ground. So that's the horizontal level. So the angle made between the horizontal level and the line of sight is called the angle of depression. This is in the case when we look down, and the angle of elevation when we look on the top. So come back to this question. So we are looking from the top of the big building. Suppose there are two buildings, and suppose AB is the big one, big building. From the top of AB, we are looking to some building at some distance. Okay, some building is there. So what's given? We want to look from B to the bottom, first to top. Okay, first to top, we will see the top of the small building at an angle 30 degree. At an angle 30 degree. So I shall write here. Okay, this is the line of sight. From B, we are looking to the top of the small building. I give some name, PQ, suppose. We are looking to the top of the small building from B. So at that time, the angle of depression will come here, right? Okay, the line of sight is this one, BQ, and horizontal is this one. Okay, and so this angle will be 30 degree, angle of depression. Okay, and when we look from B to the bottom of the small building, that is P. So when we look from B to P, we will see the bottom at an angle 45 degree. So angle of depression at that time, this angle, this big angle will be 45 degree. Okay, so I join AP also. So the picture will look like this. Okay, picture will look like this. I explain the picture again. There are two buildings, AB and PQ. So AB is the multi-storied building and PQ is the small building. Its height is given that 8 meters. And the question starts from the angle of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of multi-storied building is 30 degree and 45 degree. So if you look from top of the multi-storied building from B, you can see the top of the small building at a depression 30 degree. So you can mark 30 degree here. Okay, the line of sight is BQ at that time. And when we look to the bottom of the small building, the line of sight is BP The angle made BP with the horizontal, I marked here 45 degree, that is also given. So we have made the picture and we have given the names. Now the question is to find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. So AB, we want to find AB and also AP. So you can give some names X and Y. So we can apply trigonometry ratios to find X and Y in these two. How many right triangles are there? Only one now, right? So we can construct one more. Yeah, right now only one. We can construct one more. How?
XQ.
Yes, XQ, not XQ. This is, I just give some name for this length, not a point name. X is not a point name. I think I don't mark it.
Extend BQ.
Not extend. Draw a line parallel to ground through Q. Okay, draw a line parallel to ground through Q. Parallel to ground and the horizontal. Or we can say draw a horizontal from Q. Suppose this meeting point is some name we can give. Okay, S. Okay, any name you can give. Okay, so now we got two right triangles. Okay, so here you want to apply the idea of this alternate angles. Alternate angles. Directly the angles of these triangles are not given. What will be this angle?
45 degree.
45 degree, right? Because you look here, this suppose there's no name, this horizontal on the top and the ground are parallel. So the alternate angles will be equal. So this angle will be 45 degree. Now what will be this angle?
30.
30 degree. Because this, the QS, the line QS we constructed and the horizontal in the top are parallel. So these two angles will be, these two angles, 30 degree angles will be alternate angles. So they are equal. So we can write here 30. Okay. So now we got two right triangles and one each angles in those triangles. And one side is given here, QP is given that 8. So what will be SA? SA?
8.
SA will be also 8 not centimeter, 8 meter. 8 meter. I think better we can start from there. We can write SA is equal to QP. SA is equal to QP is equal to 8 meter. Okay. So now we can choose first right triangle from or in or consider anyhow you can start in right triangle. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we start from QSB. Okay, SBQ in different way we can name, no problem. QSB, the top 30 degree elevation comes. Not elevation, actually here depression. Okay, so in triangle QSB, apply which trigonometry ratio we need?
Tan.
Tan, right?
30.
Okay, tan 30. In QSB, apply tan 30. What will you get? Side, okay, here we take
BS
X.
by SQ.
We take X for SB. We take X for SB. Given that only QP. Given only QP. Okay.
BS by SQ.
Yes, BS by SQ. BS by SQ. Tan 30, what's the value? Tan 30?
1 by
1 by root
3.
Okay, 1 by root 3 is equal to BS by SQ. BS is X. X by, what will be QS?
Y.
Y.
Right? Because this makes a rectangle. So BS, AP and SQ will be equal. So here also Y will come. So X by Y. So you just cross multiply, what will you get?
Y equal to root 3x.
Y is equal to root 3x. Y is equal to root 3x, number 1. Okay. So now take the second right triangle. In right triangle. Okay, second one, what's the name? PAB. Apply tan 45. Tan 45 in big right triangle APAB.
X plus 8 by Y.
Say by.
Okay, first we can give full name. AB by
AB by AP.
AB by AP. Okay. And next we can substitute tan 40. What is the value? 1, right? AB, what is AB here?
X plus
plus
8.
x
X plus 8.
8. X plus 8 divided by what is
Y.
AP? AP is Y.
y
AP is Y. So we can substitute this value, right? Substitute Y is equal to root 3x. Substitute Y is equal to root 3x. So what will you get? 1 is equal to x plus 8 by
root 3x.
root 3x.
Root 3 by root 3x.
Root 3x. Okay, so you take root 3x to left, you will get root 3x is equal to, okay, root 3x is equal to x plus 8. And what we have to do? Move x to left.
left side
So root 3x minus x is equal to, okay. So you take x common outside the bracket. So how will come?
Root 3 minus
X into root 3
minus 1.
minus 1 is equal to 8. Now you move this root 3 minus 1 to right side. So we will get
8 by root 3 minus 1.
yes, x is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, so one way we can stop there. Otherwise, we can, you know, if in the denominator some root 3 comes, root 3 or root 3 minus 1 comes, we have some trick to move it to numerator. What's the method here?
into root 3 minus 1 by
Into
root 3 minus 1
root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, right?
Into root 3 plus 1.
Yes, into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Because in the denominator, our target is to apply the identity a plus b into a minus b. So you want to take the opposite sign, then multiply.
3 minus.
So in the numerator, it will be 8 into root 3 plus 1. And in the denominator, what will come?
2.
Root 3 square plus 1 square.
Root 3 square is?
3
3
minus 1.
3.
2.
Yes. So root 3 square will become 3 minus 1 square is
1.
1. So next step it will become, next step what will come? Next step.
4 root 3 plus 1.
Okay, 8 into one more step we can add. 8 into 1 by 2 will come 2 and 4. In 8 there are 4 2's. So we got 4 root 3 plus 1. 4 root 3 plus 1. Okay, so that value we can substitute here. This is x. Do we want to find x? Find the height of the multi-storied building. Yeah, we want to add with AB we need. Okay, so keep it there. So first we can find out y, we can substitute here in y. So substitute in 1. Substitute x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 1 in 1. In 1. What will you get? Y is equal to root 3 into root 3 into 4 root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. How will come? How will come? 4 root 3 into root 3. 4 root 3 into root 3 plus 4 root 3 will come, right? So what is 4 root 3 into root 3?
4 into 3
4 into 3.
4 into 3. So 12 will come, right? So 12 plus 4 root 3. Okay, 12 plus 4 root 3. I think again we can take 4 outside the bracket. So what will come?
3 plus root 3.
3 plus root 3.
3 plus root 3. Okay, this is y, the distance. The distance from the between the buildings. Distance between the building that you can write in the conclusion. We also need this length AB. AB, that is the height of the multi-storied building. AB is equal to, we have x plus 8. So we have x is equal to 4 into root 3 plus 1 and plus 8. So you can either stop there or you can take 4 outside, common outside. If you take 4 common outside out, what will come inside the bracket?
Root 3 plus
3
1
plus 2
Root 3 plus 1 plus
2
plus 2.
plus 2. One more step, you can simplify 4 into root 3
root
plus
3
1
plus
2 is
3
root 3 plus
3
root 3 plus 3. Okay, this is same, right? Root 3 plus this y and this are same actually, right? Because this is 45-degree angle, right? We got same answer for y, the distance between the buildings and the height of the multi-storied building are same, right? 4 into 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3 and root 3 plus 3 are same. Okay, so we finished. Okay, I just explain this again, then we will wind up. So our question was, two buildings are there, one big building and small building. From the top of the big building, if you look to top and bottom of the small building, we can see at an angle of 30-degree and 45-degree. So we drew picture like this, and we took the alternate angles, and we marked the 8 meter, this length is given. Okay, and we drew one horizontal, one line parallel through Q to the ground. So we give name S for the intersecting point. Okay, and we got two right triangles. From first right triangle, we got y is equal to root 3 plus root 3x, and from second right triangle, we got 1 is equal to x plus 8 by y. We substituted this value of y, and finally we reach in x is equal to 4 into root 3 plus 1. We substituted this value of x in equation number 1. We got y is equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3. That is the distance. Y is taken the distance AP between the buildings. And finally, we also need to find the height of the multi-storied building, that is AB. AB by our naming, it is x plus 8. So 4 root 3 plus 1, that is the value of x, we got plus 8. So adding these two, we will get to the same as the distance, 4 into root 3 plus 3. Okay. So finally, you need to give a conclusion. The height of the multi-storied building is equal to 4 root 3 plus 3 meter, and the distance between the building is equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. Okay.